How do you stay motivated, even when there is no movement in your reality, while manifesting your desire? One of my subscribers had asked me this question, so I decided to make a video about it. As this question pops up in the minds of many subscribers who are doing affirmations and visualizations, they are still waiting for their desire. If you are one of them, then this video is definitely for you. Every question has a solution, only a change of perspective is required. Some of you who have experienced the law and manifested your desired outcomes might have been studying Neville Goddard and Law of Attraction in detail, and you know the answer to this question. It is there inside of you. Whether it's the law of attraction or the law of assumption, both of these concepts talk about a simple little thing called becoming the best version of yourself. And by best version, I mean the version of you who already has what you want. Of course, Neville Goddard helped us to understand this manifestation concept in depth, and he talked about the concepts of the law of assumption and living in the end. If you read these concepts in detail, you will realize that you already have the desire. At this point, you will be like, wait, where do I have my desire? I can't see it. I can't feel it. Where is it? I will tell you, it is closer to you than you think. You have access to it every moment. You can access it now as well. Even if I am talking to you, you can still access it. That, my friend, is your imagination. Yes, Neville Goddard has talked so much about imagination. But have you lived fully yet? Neville Goddard stated unequivocally that in order to change your three-dimensional reality, you must first bring a change to your imagination. It is your imagination that is reflecting back to you what is being fed to it. Really, place a hand on your heart and ask yourself, have you truly lived in your desired reality enough? Have you imagined it to the point that it felt real? How many times today have you got the feeling of having it, even though your senses were denying it? Ask it, and you will get the answer. When you feel complete and satisfied by your imaginal act, that you no longer desire to do it anymore, that is the point when you have successfully planted the seed and it starts coming to you in ways you can't even imagine. Trust me, it takes the shortest time possible. Only when you live it fully in your imagination, when you feel it real. If you have not got this feeling yet, then find a way to feel it for real. Only you can access your imagination. No one else can help you with that. Even if you pay me $100,000, I could still not help you with it. I cannot give you a fairy tale story. Now, the answer to how do you stay motivated, even when there is no movement in your reality, while manifesting your desire. After all of me telling you this, you should now get clear that once you feel it real, questions like these disappear, and you are no longer bothered about how it will come and when it will come. If you are looking for a way to stay motivated, then it simply tells me that you haven't felt it real yet. You are only operating through your senses. You think this is like a cheat code for a GTA game, that you have to insert it and wait for it to work. Hear me out clearly. Once you live your desired reality fully in your imagination, you will naturally feel like you have experienced it. You are no longer concerned with the how and when. Everything happens naturally. Another question that might strike you, how do I know it's real? There are ways. You can use affirmations, guided meditations, visualizations, scripting, the whisper manifestation method, and whatnot. You can make your own unique manifestation techniques that work for you, and name them Purple Elephant. It is your reality. Just do it. If there is no movement, then it is okay, because experiencing movement does not mean that you have attained your desire. That's it for today, folks. Tell me how this video helped you in the comments section. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and get on a journey to make it one of the biggest manifestation channels. Happy manifesting!